The Video Power marketing team helped me put together a video ad that was so compelling, it literally sucked people in, and we've generated well over 1 million views because that ad has performed so well for us. Jake and his team are some of the nicest people I've worked with. They've actually made it fun, so that says a lot. I don't recommend my competitors to work with Video Power marketing. If you're watching this, leave now. I don't know, I really don't want my competitors to know.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't. If you're nowhere near the Instagram marketing space or social media in general, this is fine, you can keep watching, but yeah. It's really awkward to recommend your vendors. I'm just gonna say, Jake, because once you have someone who's like a secret weapon, you know people are watching you in your business, so you wanna keep them secret. You know what I mean? It's totally selfish, I get it, it's selfish.
So you're saying we're your secret weapon?
I know I'm going to be plastered all over your website now and in your ads. I get it. I deserve it. But yeah, no, it's a hard thing. It's a hard thing because you want to keep your secret, basically. So anyway.